Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you've all been well. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this very quick and easy creamy chicken and mushroom pasta. It does feel like a while since I've made a video, but I'm currently fasting and I've not really had the time to, make videos and cook as much as I used to. But I actually recorded this back in January, February times, and I only just found out my camera roll, so I finally had the effort and courage to actually edit it. And also Ramadan cream for all you guys that are fasting as well. So to get back into the video, I firstly started off by chopping up my mushrooms, onions, and also mincing some garlic. You can chop up them however you like. This is how I did them. And then in a hot pan, I added in some olive oil followed by the onions. I would actually personally recommend cooking your pasta in a pot. It's something that I've been doing recently and it's way more better to cook in a pot rather than a pan. And then once your onions have been cooking for a couple minutes on a medium to high heat, I then added in the marinated chicken. I already marinated the chicken beforehand and I literally just wanted it to marinate overnight. The spices for the chicken will be in the caption as well. So I actually cooked the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Then for an additional 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, I covered the chicken with a lid. As mentioned before, covering the chicken with a lid and allowing it to cook on a low heat allows it to become very soft and juicy, rather than cooking it on a high heat with the lid off. So once the chicken's nearly done, I turned the heat to high and then I also added in all the chopped mushrooms. It personally does look like a lot, but the mushrooms will eventually sweat down. I was just thinking you can definitely cook the mushrooms separately if you like, and then add it to the mushrooms after, but I just wanted to cook it all together. So I cooked the chicken and mushrooms on a high heat for another couple minutes until the mushrooms start slowly sweating down, and then I also added in the garlic. And then I followed that by adding in the double cream. As of recently, I actually made a jerk chicken pasta and I use single cream instead, so if you don't have double cream, single cream is just as good. Because I am making a creamy style pasta, the reason why I mentioned the pot is because I feel like everything just cooks better together rather than in the pan. Everything's more like spaced out. So yeah, the pot is definitely recommended. So make sure to taste your sauce and see if you want to add any more spices or seasonings. I eventually added a little bit more chili flakes, some salt, mixed herbs, and also a little bit of paprika as well. Also, since adding in the cream, I literally cooked it on a high heat for around 3 to 4 minutes. And then eventually it will look like this before you add in your pasta. Honestly, I just had a fork and I was just eating it like this and I was like, okay, wait, let me add the pasta and then I'll enjoy it properly. But yeah, to finish the dish, I added in the boiled pasta. You can choose any type of pasta that you like. This is the one that I wanted to use with this dish. Continued it by cooking it for literally a minute or two on a high heat, just so the pasta and the sauce can mix all together. And then I actually added on some Mexicana cheese on top. The Mexicana cheese is literally just chili flakes, then I think some pepper with cheese, and yeah, you can use any type of cheese that you do like though. And this is literally the dish completed. It's very quick and easy, it's quite simple. It doesn't require too much effort except for the chopping. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do make this dish, definitely show me because I'd love to see your recreations, and I'll see you in my next one.